What is IRS Direct File? IRS Direct File is a new filing option for U.S. taxpayers that is provided through a web-based service that allows U.S. taxpayers to file directly with the Internal Revenue Service for free. IRS Direct File works on mobile phones, laptops, tablets, or desktop computers, thereby allowing for optimal availability. IRS Direct File was designed to lead U.S. taxpayers through a step-by-step process via a series of questions to prepare their U.S. federal income tax return. Once a taxpayer has completed their federal income tax return, the Direct File system automatically guides them to complete their state tax filings if they have a state tax obligation. Direct File began as a pilot program for the 2023 tax filing year, and after receiving overwhelming positive reviews from taxpayers, was made available in 25 states for the 2024 tax filing year, which are filed in calendar year 2025. IRS Direct File features a data import tool that allows U.S. taxpayers to automatically import data from their IRS account, including personal information, the taxpayer's identity protection PIN, and some information from the taxpayer's W-2. Live chat is also available with IRS Direct File, and users can opt into additional authentication and verification processes, which allows customer service representatives to provide more information. In addition, there is a chat bot to help guide users through the eligibility checker. Taxpayers can use IRS Direct File if they have certain types of income outlined in more detail in the Direct File fact sheet, such as reporting retirement income, contributions, or rollovers, while already being capable of supporting taxpayers claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit, the Child Tax Credit, and the credit for other dependents. IRS Direct File is also designed to cover taxpayers claiming the Child and Dependent Care Credit, Premium Tax Credit, credit for the elderly and disabled, retirement savings contribution credits, health savings account deductions. The United States Treasury Department estimates that more than 30 million taxpayers are presently eligible to use IRS Direct File across the following 25 states: Alaska, Arizona, California, Connecticut, Florida, Idaho, Illinois, Kansas, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, Oregon, Pennsylvania, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Washington State, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. More information about IRS Direct File is available at the Internal Revenue Service's website, irs.gov. For more informative videos on tax matters and related topics, we welcome you to subscribe to our channel as well as liking this video. Thank you.